Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how we can create an NFT mint website using Wix for free. You can see I've set up a basic website here, and we're going to add some mint buttons to our website so that people can purchase or mint NFTs from our website. So the only two things you're going to need for this are, first, you're going to need an account on Wix. You can see I've already set up a basic website here. And the other thing that you're going to need is an account on AutoMinter. So AutoMinter is the tool that we use to create our NFT collection. You can sign up for free. We're going to sign in with our MetaMask wallet. So the first thing we're going to do is open a project that I created earlier. And you want to scroll down to where it says Mint Pages and click on Custom Options down here. And just scroll down until you see where it says Embed Code for the website. So this is the code that we're going to embed onto our custom website. But we don't want to copy the whole thing. What we want to do is just copy this website address here, which is autominter.com/autominterwidgets. And now we're going to go into Wix. We press Add, select Embed Code, and here press Custom Widget. Let's drag the custom widget over here where we want it to show on our website. Place it in the middle and press Choose Source. Here where it says Server URL, that's where we're going to paste the website address that we just copied earlier. Press Update, and in tag name, we just need to type AutoMinter-widget. Close that. Now we're going to go to Set Attribute, press Set Attributes, and type in project-ID here. And for the value, we need to go back to AutoMinter. And we're just going to copy this ID here, which is our project ID for our collection, and paste that in here. Press Set. We can close that. And now we can publish these changes to our website. So now if we go back to our website and we refresh the page, we can see that we now have a mint widget in our website where anyone can just click and they'll be able to mint. We've set the price for our NFT collection for free in AutoMinter. So if they press mint, MetaMask will pop up and they'll be able to mint an NFT from the collection. Leave a like and a comment if you found these useful, and I'll see you next time.